Ever walked into the gym ready to crush it, thinking you might lift enough weight to make Mount Olympus jealous? Or maybe grow biceps big enough to crush watermelons? Yeah, me neither. But admit it, that would be a great superhero origin story. Here is the thing most people do not know. Strength training and hypertrophy training are not the same thing. And if you mix them up, you could spend months training for the wrong goal. Today, you will see exactly how they work and how to use both to build the body you actually want. By the end, you will know if you should train like the Hulk, like Batman, or a bit of both. Let's go. So you have decided to hit the iron paradise. Good choice. But before you start bench pressing cars or curling dumbbells like they are toys, we need to clear up a big gym myth. Strength training and hypertrophy training are different, and understanding that difference can completely change your results. Strength training is about raw power. You lift heavy, you do fewer reps, and you train your muscles to produce serious force. Hypertrophy is about muscle size. You use more reps, moderate weight, and focus on sculpting your body. Both are valuable. And the best part, you do not have to choose only one. If you combine them the right way, you can get strength and size at the same time. Have you ever seen someone at the gym who looks super lean and defined but never seems to lift the heaviest weights? Or someone who can lift massive loads but looks about the same size as last year? Here is why. Think of strength training like a sprint. You lift heavy for 3 to 6 reps, around 80 to 90% of your max. You rest longer so you can attack each set with maximum power. Hypertrophy is more like a marathon. You use 8 to 12 reps, around 60 to 75% of your max. You rest less, you keep your muscles under tension, and you push blood into the muscle for growth. Low reps with heavy weight build strength. Higher reps with moderate weight build muscle size. Strength training focuses on fast twitch fibers, the explosive ones. Hypertrophy uses both fast and slow twitch fibers, giving you balanced growth. Strength training even improves your brain-to-muscle connection. Hypertrophy focuses on making the muscle fibers physically larger. Volume is the total work you do. Sets, reps, and weight combined. Intensity is how close you are to your maximum effort. High volume makes muscles grow. High intensity makes you stronger. If you balance them, you get both results without burning out. Start slow. Track your workouts, listen to your body, change your routine to keep progress going. Compound exercises work multiple muscles at once. They give you the most return for your time. For strength, focus on squats, deadlifts, bench press, and overhead press. Isolation exercises target a single muscle. For hypertrophy, use bicep curls, tricep extensions, leg curls, and calf raises. Think of compounds as your main course. Isolation moves are your side dishes. Use both for the best results. Strength day, heavy compounds with low reps. Muscle day, moderate weight with higher reps and isolation moves. Rotate them through the week. Training is only half the game. You need the right fuel. Protein repairs and builds muscle. Aim for 0.7 to 1 gram per pound of body weight. Spread it through the day. Use lean meats, fish, eggs, dairy, or plant proteins. If you want to grow, eat more than you burn. Increase by 250 to 500 calories a day. Use carbs for workout fuel and healthy fats for hormones. Eat carbs and protein before training. Eat carbs and protein after training. Drink plenty of water. Whey or plant protein can help hit your daily target. Creatine boosts strength and size. BCAAs can reduce soreness. A multivitamin can fill in nutrition gaps. Do you train more for strength or for muscle size, and why? What is the one exercise you would never give up in your routine? Now you know the difference between strength and hypertrophy. You know how to balance volume and intensity. You know which exercises and nutrition strategies to use. Decide your goal. Train smart. Eat for your results. And remember, you can build strength and muscle at the same time. Your dream body is just a workout and a meal away.